Hi, I'm Jeannie Fang, and I'm at Leopard Sands in Kruger Park in South Africa with Mr. Van Heerden, who is the general manager of Leopard Sands. And today we're going to talk about what you can expect when you stay at Leopard Sands on Insider Travel Report. Thank you so much for meeting with me.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So tell me about Leopard Sands. How long has it been around? What kind of accommodations can travelers find here?
So, Leopard Sands Kruger Park, we opened in December 2023, and we've been around now 2.5 years. And we are operating under the Marriott banner as well, which has been really fantastic for us. And I think what people can expect here is an experience, not just the room, not just accommodation, but the whole combined experience of traveling and making dreams come true. Accommodation wise, you can expect very nice, warm, comfortable beds, air cons in the summer, heating in the winter, and a private pool, private deck to view the Sabi River overlooking the Kruger National Park. So definitely eat, sleep, repeat, and just be happy.
Very nice. You mentioned private pool. Does every room have a private pool?
Yes, we have 18 suites. All 18 suites have a private plunge pool. Not a big pool, but it's a private pool and it's a plunge pool, and it's very nice to swim in.
That's awesome. So you get ultimate privacy.
Yes.
Very nice. And what kind of travelers do you cater towards?
Currently, we can see that our biggest travelers that comes to Leopard Sands Kruger Park is honeymoon couples, anniversaries, special celebrations, pensioners with time to travel, and families that likes creating memories together.
Very nice. And so, there's a lot of different types of accommodations around here. What makes Leopard Sands unique?
Our unique selling point is being able to sell the experiences and not just the room. You can come here for 2, 3, 4, 5 nights stay, and we will create a specialized itinerary around your needs, what you want to see, what you want to experience. Where we're right on the Sabi River, overlooking the Kruger National Park just here, and you can go on safari drives, or you can change it up and you can go on the panorama route experience, or you can go on a hot air balloon safari, or you can take a helicopter over the Blyde River Canyon, which is the third biggest canyon in the world. So there's just so much. I think the fact that we can build a specialized itinerary around the needs is what makes us very special.
Oh, yeah. All of those experiences sound awesome.
Yes.
Wow. And then, so you're part of the Marriott brand.
Yes.
What is that like in terms of how does that, I guess, how do you work with them in that sense?
So being part of Marriott is it's a very big honor for us. How we work with Marriott is obviously we have the Marriott Bonvoy program that brings over 200 million members to our doorstep. And yeah, I mean, they just support us with IT and with marketing and the standard. And I believe if people know they're traveling to a Marriott property, they know that they can expect a good standard.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. And then, when travelers are done doing all of their experiences and when they come back to the property, what kind of like dining and other things can they find on site?
So we have a very diverse dining experience. We offer nights with fine dining and some wine pairing options. We offer Boma evenings where we eat food that's cooked on fire mainly. Other times we can offer light meals and snacks. So we try to keep it interesting, and we keep changing the menu daily. So you will never have the same option twice on the menu ever. And everything we source, we go as local as possible. So whatever is available in our area, on our doorstep, that is what we try to create meals from.
That's awesome. And so you change your menus daily, which is great. A lot of variety. Is it all inclusive?
Yes, so the package we sell here is a full board package that includes dinner, bed, breakfast, lunch, game drive snacks, snacks in the rooms, all your non-alcoholic beverages are included. So cappuccinos, lattes, coffees, teas, Coke, whatever you can think about is already included in the package.
Very nice. And then, is there anything new coming to the property in 2026 or beyond?
So quite a lot of new things happening. We're busy converting to the Autograph uh, brand as well in Marriott. Um, we have just launched our gym. So our gym is open and ready to be used. And we are busy doing some good renovations to all our suites. We're already halfway through the renovation process. We are opening a new bar area. We are launching a whole outdoor kitchen to really bring out that proper African outdoor cooking on fire vibes. And yeah, man, let's see, maybe a dedicated spa will happen soon as well.
That's awesome. And it's great that you're doing renovations already because it's only been a few years that you've been around, right?
It's only been 2 years since we've been around, and that's again the part of the Marriott promise to our guests as well, where and the Leopard Sands promise to our guests, where we want to operate a 5-star property, we have to ensure it always feels 5-star, always feels premium, always feels brand new, as if no one's used it before. Every guest must feel like I'm the first one here.
That's awesome. Having like a new feeling when you stay.
Yes,
That's
100%.
awesome. And then is there anything else you want to tell our 128,000 travel advisors?
What I would like to tell you is that just pack your bags, come to South Africa. We will host you and give you the experience your heart desires and all your readers desires, and we will make it happen. Tell us your biggest dreams, we will make it come true.
Love that. And then where can travel advisors find out more information?
So we do have a few social media pages. We have our Leopard Sands Kruger Park page on Instagram, Facebook. There's a TikTok account. You can see those. Then we are available on the Marriott website as well. We also do have our own website, and that's probably where you can get most of the information from.
Perfect. Awesome. Well,
Wonderful.
thank you so much for meeting with me, Van.
You're very welcome.
I'm Jeannie Fang, and this is Insider Travel Report.